Hello everybody, this is Natasha Advani, an intuitive life designer. Today let me give you 5 powerful techniques on how to clean the aura. It's very important to clean our aura because if our aura is not clean, a lot of impurities come into our life and then our life doesn't shift. Sometimes you notice we are taking all the action, we are doing everything, but our life is not moving forward. It's not shifting from the direction we want to shift. So when we do these techniques, you'll see a lot of shifts happening in your life. So it's very important to clean the aura. And these are very basic techniques, we do it every day, but we sometimes don't realize that it's important. As I say, to achieve what you want, you have to have energy, which you're syncing with action, energy and action. Because if one thing is out of syncs, then you will not be able to achieve the results you want in your life, because ultimately everything on planet earth is made of energy. You think that thought is also a certain energy we are putting, and that's why the thought is created. So what are the 5 things? This is there since thousands of years. When it's very important that we have bath every day. Yes, everyone must be having a bath, but you notice the manifestation when we are angry or we don't feel good about ourselves or we're feeling low, you just go for a bath. That if you're at home, of course you can go for a bath, or if you're in office or any other place, just wash your face with water. You'll see suddenly you'll feel very calm and composed. Why? Because when we have bath or when we wash our face, our brain, it goes to the theta level. Okay, it goes to the theta level. Our brain has 4 brain waves. It's delta, beta, theta. Okay, there are few brain waves. So when we take a nice water bath, it goes to the theta level and we feel very relaxed, calm and composed. So it's a very powerful thing we can do. We can have bath, which of course I'm sure we do, but please, if you're feeling angry or you're not feeling very good, just splash your face with water and you'll see the difference. As you know, our body is made of 5 elements: earth, water, fire, wind. We know that, right? It is made of uh, 5 elements. So we can do, one of the techniques is this. Another technique is when, if you notice when we are feeling low or we are not feeling good about ourselves, so we are exhausted and there's wind blowing, we just, next to the face or even a fan, if we have that exhaust fan which is very powerful, and we just sit like that and the wind is blowing through our face, don't you feel relaxed? Immediately we'll feel relaxed and our stress reduces. So wind, it is also a very, we don't realize these things, but it can make us feel very calm and composed. It's very important. Another thing we can do is fire. When I said aura bath is like, you've seen in temples now how we do diyas, or wherever you go, whichever temple or mosque or any place, there's always fire. Even agyari, like they do puja for fire. So fire is a very, very powerful technique for our aura bath. You must have seen in olden days, or even now, grandmothers, if a child was sick, they used to just do diya around the child, so that the child, all that negativity or impurities just goes away. So you do that. That is also a very, very powerful technique to do that, to just put diya around. Or even in temples, or when we go and do our puja, you can do that, or burn a agarbatti or whatever works for you, or just burn a diya in the house. Another thing, in olden days, I'm sure now also they do it, to have a mud bath. If obviously you can't have it in the house, you go to Nature Cure, they make you have a very nice mud bath, and your body feels so relaxed and so nice, and you feel so good about yourself. So these are very powerful techniques to clean your aura. And neem, you notice as children, when a lot of us got chicken pox, our mothers or grandmothers, they used to do neem ka pani. Neem, put hot water and put neem in that and have a bath with that, because again it clears a lot of negativity in the body. So these are very basic techniques. It shifts the aura and you feel much more energetic, relaxed, vibrant, and you feel that okay, you can get back to the action mode and do whatever you're doing. So try these techniques. I would love to hear from you what transformed in your life. And I also do a lot of very, very intensive sessions on energy work where I shift the energies of the body. So if a person is having issues with relationships, their relationship improves. With money, their money situation becomes better, because ultimately it's shifting the energy of your body and improving your immune system. Because if your immune system is weak, then you will start having health issues, then you won't be able to get more money in your life. And it's like a very, very, I don't want to go very deep into it, but it is very, very, it does affect a lot of areas of your life. But try these 5 basic techniques, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Forward this video to your family and friends, because these are very simple techniques. We can do it, and I'm sure so many one of us are doing it, but just be aware when to do it and at the right moment. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, Facebook page and Instagram. Thank you.